moments creep, yet I can't bear to sleep till I hear you sing. Weeks pass, months pass, seasons pass, still you don't walk through my door. And in a haze I count silent days till I hear you sing once more. Sometimes darkness I dream that you are there, but wake holding nothing but the cold night air. Days come and days go, time runs dry. Still I ache deep in my core. My broken soul can't be alive or whole till I hear you sing once music, it teases my ear. I turn and it fades away, and you're not here. Let hope pass, let dreams pass, let them die. Without you, what's nothing for? My long range feel no more than halfway real till I hear you sing once more. Louise?
Bridget, I think that was a lovely performance. I think you've got a really strong voice behind you. You've got some power there. I think my advice with you would be to work on your performance, because it's kind of just a bit samey all the way through. With choosing like a musical theatre song, obviously you have to portray the story. So that would be my next bit of advice to you. Really listen to yourself back. Make sure that all the notes are spot on. And I look forward to seeing what you bring to the competition.
Kelly?
Well done, Rydian. I wasn't expecting that voice to come out of you. It was a really nice surprise. It was a really nice shock. You've got this really beautiful, bassy, baritone quality to your voice. And that song really showed that off. And then you went in for this really controlled, really powerful belt towards the end, which just took it to another level. I think you gained in confidence because your belt was a lot stronger at the end. So you really sort of showed everything that you can do. I thought it was a really fantastic audition, and I'm really excited about you in this competition because we haven't seen a male voice like yours for quite a while. So yes, it's interesting, it's exciting. But well done. You should be really proud of that.
Hi there, Rydian. I just want to say I think you've done an incredible job, especially on the last part of this track. I could clearly see how much it was there and how much you got to offer vocally. I think presentation-wise, there's still a little bit to work on, but that's something you'll definitely pick up throughout this process. But in terms of vocal ability, you're definitely on form. So keep doing what you're doing. I think you've done an amazing job, and it's 100% a yes from me.